Did you know there's a volcano in Indonesia where the flames burn electric blue? Not orange, not red, blue. And it only shows up in the dark. This is Kawah Ijen in East Java. Deep inside the crater, sulfuric gases escape through vents and ignite on contact with air, producing these wild, glowing blue flames that ripple down the rock face like something out of a movie. The crater lake beside it is the largest highly acidic lake on Earth, bright turquoise by day and completely eerie by night. But here's the part that stays with you. Every single night, miners descend into that toxic crater, breathing sulfur fumes through basic cloth masks and haul chunks of raw sulfur up the steep walls on their backs. Some carry over 90 kilograms per trip for a few dollars. So you've got this surreal, almost magical natural phenomenon happening right alongside some of the hardest human labor you'll ever witness. Both things at the same time in the same place. Kawah Ijen doesn't just look unforgettable, it feels it.